Hey, it's ClayTrader from ClayTrader.com. This will be a live trading video. I'm going to try to catch some live trades here. It is 9:29 a.m. Eastern, so I will keep you updated on any trades that I try to enter or do enter. I have an order in here at 60.60. Put it in slightly before pre-market. So I want to see if it can get up there and get filled. If it looks like I am going to get filled, I will get it rolling and try to catch it on live status here. Have an order in at 60.60. Seems to be getting a little top heavy up here. We'll see if it can get up there. I will keep you posted. Oh, I just realized that I had that the first time, but I'd actually canceled it and would have worked out fine. But then I just re-put it in. So I suppose a little boneheaded move on my part, but oh well, still plenty of time left in the day to trade. Have an order in here to buy some shares at 7.10. I like this candle that's taking shape here. See if it can pull back any. Seems like a potential little bottoming move here, where I like my chances of trying to get at least a 5-cent move. So I will keep you posted and see if I can get any here on MACK. Going for some shares here at 61.15. Not sure if it's going to be able to push all the way up there on this candle, but we'll see if that can happen. First hurdle will probably be 61.10. I want to see, I don't want to see it consolidate and then hit it. I want to see it hit it as these candles are formed. So it needs to be in an overextended state when, this 61.15 level is hit. So again, don't want to see, 3 or 4 candles here form and then have it go up. I want to see it ideally hit on this candle here. It's trying. Let's see if it can get through 61.10 here. There, it's through. I'm in. Looking to cover at 61.08 now. So let's see what happens. If I need to short some more, I have no problem doing that just because it was in such an overextended state to begin with. And I am out there, so there's 70 bucks. I'm going to try to catch some more here. Okay, I have another order in to short at 61.20. I am in. Now looking to short at, cover at 61.15. And I am out, so there's another quick 50 bucks. Try to catch some more here. Have another order in to short at 61.25. We'll see if it can get up there. It is hovering around. I will pause the video, try to catch the fill. Looking to go long at 60.90 if it can break through the 61s. Showing some pretty big support right now, so we'll see if that happens. This is based off the moving average here. You can see right now valued at 60.92. So if the price were to get down there, I'm assuming the value is going to be right around the 60.90 area. So I like the opportunity there as a risk versus reward for at least a 5-cent bounce. So 60.90 currently, but what I'm hoping is on a break of 61, the market kind of just freaks out temporarily, goes down there, fills me, and then gets a quick little bounce back. That's what I'm hoping for. Usually on the round numbers like that, a breakthrough is going to create some sort of freak out. Is it going to be a 10-cent freak out where it goes down and fills me? I don't know about that, but that's what I feel comfortable with, so that's what I'm going to go with. So let's see if 61s can fall. I'll try to record it even. Okay, we're getting close. Hovering right around the area here. 61.02 seems to be somewhat of an area of support. I'll try to catch the break of 61, and that way we can at least watch and see how that reacts. Okay, it seems like it might. Nope, I'm going back up again. All right, I will. If it looks like it's going to break, I'll try to catch it. Big order size in here right now at 61.32. It was broken, and I missed it. It was actually over 900 shares. So when you add a couple zeros to it, that was the big old sell order up there. But it was taken out, so there does seem to be some buying pressure here. I'm curious to see if it can break above this high there at 61.43, and that would really be solid confirmation that there's some buying pressure. And then I'm hoping it'll go on a big spurt, create a big old green candle, get overextended, where I can then build a position on the short side here. But need to see how it reacts right now. This is a very important area for the chart right now. Okay, I have an order in at 61.42 to go short. This is more based off the 5 minute. 5 minutes just looking pretty top heavy. You can see here, let's see, I got 700 shares on my 1,000. There we go. So put that at 31. But if you look here at the 5 minute, you know, you have all these candles with these high wicks. Okay, and I'm already out, but you have all these candles with the high wicks here. So that just every time it tries to move up, it just keeps getting knocked back down. And now look at this getting formed. So just a very top heavy environment, which is, you know, why my confidence was pretty high that I could at least get a 5-cent move. Given, you know, this sort of environment right now. So a top-heavy environment, I don't think that's an actual term. I just made it up now. But, you know, in a top-heavy environment, I don't mind going short, and I'll go short all day long. And, you know, we'll see if it rolls over. But, you know, when you have all these, just pretty much, I'll just sum it up like this, the power of candlesticks. This is why I love charts, and especially candlesticks. And there you can see the price falling even more. And I should have held. But, you know, if you don't believe in charts or don't even know what charts are, let alone candlesticks, you know, hopefully this served as a good little example of why you should consider learning them. Okay, I'm back to this plan, having an order at 60.90. We'll see if 61s can fall, like you've seen in the past. 61.02 seems to be the really strong area of support, and now you can see it's bouncing again. But I'm going back to the plan I had a little while ago with 60.90 as the entry point. And regardless if I get filled, if it looks like 61s are going to fall to the downside, I'll try to catch the break so we can see how that reacts, but I will keep you updated. Alright, I'm just going to wrap this video up. I'm kind of just distracted today, not too focused, working on some things with the blog, and yeah, just not as much action as there was in the previous couple days, where you can see videos, you know, where I was making, you know, $500 in just, you know, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, whatever. You know, 170, it's, you know, not even an hour into the day, so still plenty of time left, but I'm just going to wrap things up just because I'll try to keep this video shorter than the other one. So if you're interested in learning how to trade with charts, learning candlesticks, those things that I've talked about, you can go to ClayTrader.com, and I offer many courses on how to read charts and how to trade like this. Or you can click in the links below the video. I should note that charts don't pertain just to this type of trading where, you know, I'm looking to get in and out very quickly. They can be swing trades where you're looking to hold a few days, a few weeks. They can be adjusted to all time scales. So that's the great thing about candlesticks, is they can measure any time frame. So again, ClayTrader.com, or click in the links below the video. Check out some of the courses. Also have a trading group where you can hang out with me and others during the day in the live chat room that I have. Also send out a weekly newsletter with some of my scans. So and it's a good value, you know, literally less than 1 cup of coffee per week. So if you can budget aside 1 cup of coffee per week, then you can afford the Inner Circle Trading Group. So check that out too. Again, thank you for listening, and hopefully you learned something.